I'm excited to share with you two brand new Engage CTA styles that should already be live on your Spark site. So a couple really cool things with these new CTAs. One, we've leveraged a ton of modern design trends that we've been seeing in the call to action world inside of these new styles. And two, they are mobile first, which means they're going to look beautiful on both mobile phones and tablets. I know that's something that our community has been asking for, so I hope we've done a great job at delivering that for you here today. So yeah, to get access to these new styles, you can head over to your Engage tool. And when you hit the add button, you'll see that we do have a new Engage Alert CTA. And in the below content category, we have this new card style CTA. So what I want to do is actually just run through a couple real use cases with these new styles to get you a little bit more familiar with them. So let's first start off with our new Engage Alert CTA. So the thing that makes this new style really unique is that it leverages conversational marketing. So conversational marketing is a very important strategy in today's world because it allows you to better connect to each individual visitor on your website by having what's like a mock conversation with them. So now when you're presenting them with your value offering, you can present it to them just like as if they were right in front of you. So to take a look at an example of this, let's say you have someone going to one of your area guide pages, like Central Maui here. We can safely assume that these people are most likely buyers interested in homes in Central Maui. So we want to make sure to present them with an offering that plays to those interests. So as I scroll down here, you will see an alert pops up that says, hey, click here to check out my hand-picked list of the hottest new properties in Central Maui. So not only are we playing to those interests, but you can see we have faces leveraged here in terms of the agent image, their name, and the verbiage is tailored to more of an organic conversation, so it feels a little bit more authentic. Then what happens when you click here is it pushes that traffic now to a page that has strict lead intent based off of that value offering. So we have what's called a convert page here set up where people can opt in and then view that save search or hot sheet that you've set up with these listings. You can also use something like a search page with our new search pages tool, maybe locked behind one of our social site locker CTAs. I mean, there's various ways you can use these engage alerts and send those traffic to high intent pages, but here's just a couple examples of it. Now, when you go and edit these alerts, I mean, if you use our Engage tool before, it's very similar, right? You can go in, you can easily customize the content using a point and click system. If you want to change that agent, you can easily go in there, select a new agent. Even if you don't like how that profile image looks, you can use a custom image for that. But as I mentioned, these are mobile first, which means they look great when you're targeting people who are visiting from a mobile phone. So that is our new Engage Alert CTA. The next one I want to go over is our card style CTA. So what happens in scenarios when you need to set up a call to action that has a little bit more content required to emphasize what that offering is, and perhaps that you want to actually capture that lead inside of that CTA. Before, you were kind of stuck with a lot of modals or full screen type of styles, which can be very invasive to our user's experience. But now what we've done is created a really great organic call to action that displays either on the right or left side of the screen. I believe you can target it to the top right or top left, but I suggest definitely keeping it to either bottom sides. So for instance, if we're leveraging again a buyer strategy here, let's say we have one of your property pages, we're going to want to target them with a nice value offering related to buying homes. So you see here, this nice little card style comes into play. Here are 7 things you need to consider before buying a home. When they opt in, you can have it automatically drip them that information or maybe redirect them to a blog post, or you could possibly just capture their phone number as well and give them a call right away to discuss these things. So not only again is this call to action great for capturing leads right inside of it. But you'll see when we go and edit it, you can leverage it in a similar way as those new alert styles as well, because you can actually toggle off the lead form and just use a button, right? So again, if you wanted to leverage a similar conversational strategy like in those alert CTAs where you direct that traffic to a high intent page, then again, you can do so by just toggling the form off. Again, mobile first. So this is going to look great on all devices. You can see when it goes down to a mobile phone, it does trigger to be full screen. This is important because of the amount of content in it. You don't want it to feel smushed or messy. This gives everything a little bit of breathing room and allows you to deliver that message a little bit more effectively. So these are the two new Engage styles that are now live on your Spark sites. I think these are going to be my go-tos. I'm hopefully going to be starting to use them on client sites here soon. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to support, or if you're looking for more examples on how you can leverage these CTAs on your sites, maybe looking for some strategies, reach out to book a time with our client success staff. They're always there and eager to help. But yeah, thanks for taking the time, and see you on the next one.